Hi guys, time to draw the license plates for the Instagram and my Patreon account holders. As you can see here, I'm always blocking the videos, sorry about that. So I'll do the Instagram first, why not? So I'll click on the Instagram. This is the link right here. I can copy the link or I can just go up here. Video is going to start playing, doesn't matter. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it into the comment picker. For the Instagram account, or for the Instagram, I'm not awake yet, sorry. For the Instagram draw, I have 9 unique comments. There's 1, 2, 3. Norm has a second one, doesn't count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 1,000 plus Instagram account subscribers, members, yeah, I don't know what to say. I might not bother with free giveaways. I mean, it's costing me more money than I make. So anyways, I got 9 people here. Good luck to all 9. And place the comment here, paste. Is it searching already? I keep forgetting to push start. So there's the start button. Should start picking. Start. Oh, I gotta search first. My bad, sorry. Okay, so it also recognizes amount of unique comments, 9. Click start. Bullshit Corner. Congrats, Jerry. I think you're gonna find a place for it, I'm sure, in your garage, maybe on the in front of the Chevy. Is it a Chevy that you're rebuilding? Anyways, congrats, Jerry. And then we do the same thing, but we go to, oh no we don't, I'm drawing out of a hat. I got it all prepared already. Let me just go somewhere else so that we can enjoy a better background. How do I do this? There we go, that's better. I already have, you can see here, my Instagram, my Patreon, guys. Oh wait, sorry, one more thing. So just to make sure Bullshit Corner gets this one, my Patreon account winner gets this one. My Patreon account, I have about 10 people, 10, 11. There are some guys that only donate $1, which is fine. But I did, oops, one fell out. Gotta be careful here. This is getting to be a longer video than need be. Okay, so I got one here. Sorry. And now I only wrote down the first names. Right on. Ralph. Ralph, I will contact you. My Patreon account members, I will contact them, or obviously Ralph. But I'm pretty sure they're watching as well, or watching the videos, but I will make sure that I contact him because of the fact that he's contributing on a monthly basis. Bullshit Corner, I know you you watch my channel and also my Instagram account, so I have no doubt that you're going to be seeing one or the other posts. I will make a post on Instagram as well, letting people know that those 2 people won. Thanks for playing. Yeah, it's I know I may not pass 40,000 subscribers on YouTube, but subscriber number doesn't really matter for doesn't matter. As you can see, 9 people entered the Instagram draw and 11 people on my Patreon. It is what it is. I just have to keep stuff in mind for future giveaways, or keep stuff like this in mind for future giveaways. And for you guys, obviously, you know there's awesome odds. 9 people, that's 1 out of 9, 1 out of 11. So if there is going to be a future draw for something else, keep it in mind. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.